Oh man, check out this Ranch Boss by Cold Steel. What a beautiful, beautiful example of stainless steel engineering. Force patina. I blued it. Turned out pretty nice. I don't know. Do you think these screws are every bit as tough as, like, I don't know. Let's think. Those pins on a buck. Hmm. I don't know. Stainless steel is definitely tougher than brass. It's that and it's a liner lock, as you saw. That back spring is really fucking, really stiff. So it's not like a. No, you can't. You can't. It'll literally fly out of your hands. But as a pack knife, it's straight up two-handed opening. Unless you get creative with a lanyard. It's a great pack knife. Look at that centering. Hold up. Look at that centering. And you can really see like a purplish kind of hue. For what it is, it's a fuck. You get a lot for your money. And you can change out the scales. I did. I got the smaller version, the Ranch Hand. Because just like the Buck 110 has the Buck 112, this has the Ranch Hand. And I took the scales off because it was a lot easier with the screws. And I made custom ones with Lignum Vitae, the Tree of Life. I did that a while ago. Before I discovered all those custom knives that Buck makes. Anyways, shout out to Cold Steel. Nailed it.